Welcome to DK&R Designs and Kits. I'm Dave Etter, the founder of DK&R Designs. There are multiple styles of home kits available, from earth berms with natural green roofs or hybrid barndominium roofs, to unique shaped homes of any style or type imaginable, and even tiny homes, custom designed for you, or we will have some sample kits on our website soon. Don't let size limit you either. As a matter of fact, custom kits can come in styles ranging from barndominiums to timber frames to hybrids, farmhouses, rustic, modern, French country, Mediterranean, contemporary, craftsman style, Greek, etc., etc., etc. We think you get the idea. Some of our sample kits we have on our website include the Willow. This plan is available in a number of various sizes, styles, and finishes to meet almost any budget. Here is the Cypress plan, shown in a more rustic design and finish. This one too is available in a very wide variety of sizes and finishes. There are more sizes than what is listed on the website for all of our plans. Here is a larger plan available for 2 stories and a lot of square footage under roof. The picture shows the dogwood with a different garage layout and an added sunroom in the back. When we say we have a variety of plans, we are not kidding. Here is the Maple, a truly stunning home available in a variety of styles, finishes, and sizes. This rendering shows it in a more modern farmhouse meets timber frame type layout. When is the last time you saw a kit with a body spray shower in the master, lighted vanity faucets, a terrific pull-out kitchen faucet with a pause button and a spray feature? I actually have this in my own home. Harbor Breeze ceiling fans, Barndo style exterior lights, and tankless hot water heaters, and many other items, just to name a few. Even our basic kits come with upscale finishes. Schedule a meeting or give us a call to let us help you with the proper level of purchase suited specifically and customized for you. Thank you for considering DK&R Designs for your custom home kit journey, and we look forward to talking with you soon.